This is the Woodford 30560 packing. It does fit many different Woodford models, but just an example of a couple, it will fit the 14, 16, and 17, but there are many more Woodford models that it does fit. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the bag here. It is an all rubber packing. We'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of it, starting with a total height. It measures right at 1/4 of an inch, and then a total outside diameter. We'll do an outside and an inner diameter as well. That outside diameter measuring right at 3/4 of an inch, and the inside diameter measuring right at 1/2 inch. And once again, this is the Woodford 30560 packing.